How to say I like coffee? 我咖啡喜欢。我喜欢咖啡。Do you sometimes say I coffee like in Chinese? Let's fix it today. In today's episode, we will compare Chinese and English sentence structure. By the end of this video, you will be able to say simple Chinese sentence without mixing up the word order. Let's get started. Chinese sentence often follow a subject, verb, object structure, similar to English. For example, in English, we say, I like coffee. The subject is I, the verb is like, and the object is coffee. In Chinese, we place these elements in the same order, but we have to be mindful of certain details such as time or location words. I will explain this in the future episode. For now, in the first one, let's focus on the most basic structure. Let's see how it looks with some real-life examples. Subject, 他 him. Verb, 看 watch. Object, 电影 movie. 他看电影 He watches a movie. 他看电影 You might also see something like 今天他看电影 which means he watches a movie today. The time word 今天 today can go before or after the subject. But again, the core is still subject, verb, object, S to V to O. Subject, 我 I. Verb, 吃 it. Object, 早餐 breakfast. 我吃早餐 I eat breakfast. 我吃早餐 I eat breakfast. Subject, 我 I. Verb, 玩 play. Object, 游戏 games. 我玩游戏 I play games. 我玩游戏 I play games. Subject, 我们 we. Verb, 买 buy. Object, 东西 things. 我们买东西 We buy things. 我们买东西 We buy things. Subject, 他 he. Verb, 喝 drink. Object, 果汁 juice. 他喝果汁 He drinks juice. 他喝果汁 He drinks juice. How to say I like music? Subject, 我 Verb, 喜欢 Object, 音乐我喜欢音乐 Did you get it right? Now it's your turn. Let's practice. In the comments below, write one simple S to V to O sentence in Chinese. It could be something like 我吃早餐 I eat breakfast. Or 我爱你 I love you. Give it a try. In the next episode, we will learn about personal pronouns and common ways to address people in Chinese. By knowing how to say you, he, she, or even calling a pet, you'll sound much more natural in everyday conversation. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Chinese learning tips, and share it with a friend who wants to learn Chinese.